Hey there, future data experts. Ever thought about the journey data takes before it lands on those neat and organized systems? Or how businesses ensure that no piece of critical information gets lost in translation? That's where SAP data migration steps in, and that's the journey we're inviting you on. In our exclusive course, SAP Data Migration Mastery, we unpack the magic behind data transfer, from understanding the reasons why data moves to the methodologies that ensure every byte finds its right place. You'll dive deep into various migration methods, from using tailored files, staging tables, right through to direct transfers. Our comprehensive modules are designed for both beginners and seasoned pro. With the guidance of Fiori Launchpad and the Migration Cockpit, two power-packed tools in the SAP ecosystem, you'll learn to navigate common migration challenges like duplicates, missing data, and more. By the end of this course, you'll do more than just understand data migration. Still on the fence? Just ask the thousands of learners who've transformed their careers with us. Your data-driven future awaits. So, what are you waiting for? Embark on this enlightening journey of SAP data migration with us. Click that Enroll button and let's dive into the world of data together. We can't wait to welcome you aboard.